Hey guys, today we've got something exciting for you all foodies out there. How you can potentially get free Uber Eats. So, we all love food delivery, but it's always better when it's free, right? I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to potentially score some free Uber Eats. Before we dive in, remember that you should always use legitimate methods to find deals and never fall for scams. One way to get free or discounted Uber Eats is by using promo codes. Promo codes are special codes that give you discounts or even free delivery on your next order. And here's how you can use them. First, you can find promo codes on various websites, social media, or sometimes even through email newsletters from Uber Eats. And when you're checking out, there's a field where you can enter your promo code. Make sure to apply it before completing the order. Another way to get free Uber Eats is through your referral programs. Uber Eats often has referral programs where you can earn credits by referring new users to the app. And here's how it works. Sign up for the referral program through the Uber Eats application or website and you will get a unique referral link that you can share with friends and family. Send this link to your friends. When they sign up and make their first order, you might get free delivery credits or discounts on your next order. It's a win-win. Your friends get to enjoy Uber Eats and you get rewards. Keep an eye out for special promotions and seasonal offers. Uber Eats often has limited time offers where you can get discounts or free delivery, so check their app or websites regularly to stay updated. These promotions are time sensitive, so make sure you grab them while they are available. I also have a quick tip for you. Always check the terms and conditions of any promo code or referral code because some codes might have restrictions or expiration dates. And remember, never use unofficial websites or third-party services to get free Uber Eats. Stick to the official channels to avoid scams. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and thanks for watching.